At Vantara, the hippopotamus represents the center's commitment to nurturing rescued wildlife with compassion and care. Rescued from difficult conditions, the hippo now thrives in a specially designed habitat that mimics its natural environment, ensuring physical and emotional well-being. With expert veterinary care, a nutritious diet, and ample space to roam and swim, the hippo's journey from distress to recovery reflects Vantara's larger mission, offering hope, healing, and a second chance to vulnerable animals while educating the public about the importance of wildlife conservation.